So here in our API manager, we can see we've got existing the loans API and loans product. So what we're going to do now is use the toolkit to create an API and a product. So we can do this with the API create command. We can create ourselves an API. So we're going to create a baggage API. So that's going to create as an API called baggage in baggage.yml with version 1.0.0. So if we open this file in Notepad++, the baggage.yml, we can see that it's generated as a Swagger file with a base path and a bunch of tags and a bunch of parameters. So what we can now do with the API manager command is we can validate our Swagger file. So we can make sure it's all okay. So that's going to validate our Swagger file. Okay, that's validated. So now we want to contain this in a product. So we can again use the create command to create a product. This time we can give it type product. We're going to call it airline services. And we can use the APIs command to tell it where the APIs are that should be included in the product. So that's going to create our product file. So we'll see here airline services YML. If we open that up, we can see we've got a skeleton product file, references the baggage API, and it's created a default plan that includes the baggage API. So again, we can validate this. We can use a command to say just validate the product please, otherwise it would validate the product and the API.